The adjective alphabet. Let's learn some English adjectives, words that you'll need to speak English well. One for each letter of the English alphabet. Amazing. The view and his jump were amazing. Boring. This class is really boring. Cool. He looks cool in those sunglasses. Disappointed. She was disappointed her mother didn't visit. Exhilarating. The roller coaster ride was exhilarating. Fascinating. Spock thinks the alien is fascinating. So interesting. Goofy. Our friend Tom is really goofy. Really silly. Horrible. The baby thinks the food is horrible. Interesting. There is nothing interesting on TV. Jubilant. She was jubilant that her friend won the award. Kaput. She was knackered, tired, kaput after studying all night. Labored. His breathing was heavy and labored after running to be on time. Majestic. The lion looked majestic, sitting in the grass at sunset. Nauseating. Her friend's actions were nauseating, disgusting. Obstinate. The dog was so obstinate and wouldn't walk. Petty. He had everything. His complaints were petty, small. Quaint. The cottage we rented was very quaint and old-fashioned. Reliable. His cat was reliable and always woke him up at 6 in the morning. Sentimental. He got sentimental while reading his favorite childhood novel. Timid. She is very shy, very timid. Underrated. The new Nexus smartphone is very underrated. It's quite good. Vivacious. She's a very vibrant and vivacious celebrity. Waterproof. This phone is waterproof. Water can't enter. Xenophobic. Donald Trump is xenophobic and afraid of foreigners. Yummy. This is so yummy, so delicious. Zany. This gremlin is zany. That's all. Thanks for watching and learning with us. The end.